You may remember us reporting last year that the Washoe County bought the West Hills Behavioral Health Hospital. Good evening, I'm Alexandra Ray.
And I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for keeping it here with us at 5:30. Now, this story was inspired by a Your 2 Cents question. Of course, Your 2 Cents is the call-in segment with Ryan Canaday. A caller asked, why not open up West Hills right now as a homeless shelter while it's not being used? Faith Justice spoke with the Human Services Director today. She joins us now live in the newsroom after trying to get some answers for us. Faith, it sounds like there are other plans for the building.
That's right, Kristen. The county does want the building to continue to serve its original purpose as a behavioral health hospital. And once they've completed renovations, they say the services could benefit homeless people and the whole community. Homeless encampments line the sidewalk outside the old West Hills Behavioral Health Hospital. And while some in the community ask why not open up the building's beds to the homeless sleeping just outside, the county says the facility will serve a greater long-term purpose once they restore it as a mental and behavioral health hospital.
This is, in my mind, at least one step towards getting a really robust continuum of mental health care restructured in Washoe County.
Doing so could help the homeless too, says Human Services Director Ryan Gustafson. Better access to mental health care could take pressure off of the shelters. A significant number of the people living at the CARES campus need mental and behavioral health services, and better care wouldn't just benefit them. Gustafson says the whole community would feel the impact.
When you have a full continuum of mental health care, I think it helps across many domains. I think it helps the homeless population. I think it helps the law enforcement resources that we have. I think that it helps the hospitals.
The county's goal for West Hills is to focus on children and teens, providing early intervention. But the 95-bed facility could also have room for adults. Because it was built in the 80s, it has a lot of renovation work still ahead, but the facility's quirks might turn out to be advantageous.
The way that it's structurally developed is you can have multiple populations and they never really have any sort of interaction.
As the county fixes up West Hills, Gustafson says he hopes the community can also dismantle the stigmas around mental health care.
Really, as a county and as a community, quite honestly, I think that it's really it's on all of us to try to break those walls down.
And the county wants to have West Hills back open by late 2026. Gustafson says that he's hoping the building can offer residential and outpatient services. Covering the story, Faith Justice, 2 News, Nevada.